In October 2023, a new electric car was launched. This car is special because it is very good for the environment. It does not use gasoline. Instead, it runs on electricity. Many people are excited about this new car because it can help reduce pollution in the air. The car has a long battery life, so drivers can go far without charging. It also has a fast charging option. This means people can charge their cars quickly at charging stations. The design of the car is modern and sleek. It has a large screen inside for navigation and music. The car also has many safety features. For example, it can detect other cars and pedestrians. This helps to avoid accidents. Many countries are encouraging people to use electric cars. They offer incentives, like tax breaks and rebates, to make electric cars cheaper. This helps more people buy them. In addition to being good for the environment, electric cars can save money. Gasoline prices are often high. But electricity to charge the car is usually cheaper. This means drivers can save money on fuel. People are also interested in how electric cars will change the car market. Car manufacturers are now focusing more on electric vehicles. They want to create better and more affordable options for everyone. In conclusion, the new electric car is more than just a car. It is part of a bigger change towards clean energy. It is exciting to see how these cars will change our world. Many hope that soon, electric cars will be the main choice for everyone.